Learn more about recycling misconceptions. Do you know what recycled items will be turned into? Newspaper will be recycled into egg cartons, building insulations, construction materials, paper, berry boxes, and paper plates. Metal cans turn into car parts, bicycle parts, rebar, steel beams, appliances, and, of course, new metal cans. Meanwhile, glass is recycled into new glass bottles, glass jars, and fiberglass. Interestingly, plastic beverage bottles can be made into throw rugs, backpacks, more plastic bottles, t-shirts, ski wear, and sleeping bags. Despite the endless possibility, not everything can be recycled. Plastic bags and plastic wraps are some of the worst offenders. These plastic materials require a different recycling method, so they are not collected via curbside recycling collection. Instead, bring them to your local grocery or department store. Ceramic wire, or mirror, yard waste, frozen meal boxes that contain wax or excess grease, shoes or clothing, tires or car parts, as well as appliances, electronics, and batteries should not be recycled through curbside recycling collection. If you are uncertain about what can or cannot be recycled, always consult your local waste management service.